Alright, today we're going to go over how to change an engine air filter on a Jeep 3.6 liter. First thing is you're going to have 4 tabs on your air box. This is your air box right here. So you got 1, 2, 3 down here, and then a 4th one right over here. Once you have these 4 tabs off, you're going to have to undo this clamp right here. Just back it out enough to get this band loose right here. Next, you've got these 2 10mm bolts right here. You're gonna pop this hose out first. Just sits right in there, and then undo these. All right, now at this point, your intake right here, the air box, the top of it, it's all gonna be pretty loose. Pop off this hose that's right here. Slides right off. You can lift this all apart. Get that out of the way. Now your air box is loose. Just gonna pop it off. And then this right here is your engine air filter. At this point, you just reach in and grab it, pull that out, and that's what you're gonna replace. Now to note, this is a K&N air filter, which means it's reusable. Normally an air filter is completely white. I'm gonna go clean this and stick it right back in. Before I go clean it, I'm just gonna take a look in the intake right here. Some oil that needs to be cleaned up, and some other just debris and dust and everything. I'm gonna get that out too before I put the air filter back on. All right, now I got my new air filter, or in my case, the one that's been cleaned. You can see this lip here. That's what you want to go down. So just spin it around, stick it back in there. Make sure it's fit good. Good to put everything back together. And there we go. Takes about 5 minutes and save yourself about $50.